my channel. So look at this, you guys. Oh my goodness, do you see this? Do you see all of this? Yep, I've done some damage, you guys. Okay, my husband and I, when we were traveling, we did stop by at the Gucci outlet in Louisville, Kentucky. I guess Louisville? Yeah, I think that was around that area. They had an awesome Gucci outlet in there, much better than the one near San Antonio. So we did some damage over here, and then we also stopped by at Louis Vuitton at the Columbus, Ohio, and I got a couple of things in there as well. So yeah, I want to do unboxing and share with you all those goodies that we've got, so let's do it. What should I start with? Little one? Now let's do the Gucci first. Let's do the Gucci. I'm gonna go start with this. I was very surprised that they actually gave me boxes, because we shopped, whenever we travel, there's a Gucci outlet or Burberry or Prada, we just stop by and see what they have. They never give us boxes, but this time they did. So this is the first item that I've got. The box doesn't match the items, just to let you know. I think, you know, because these were like Bloom collection, which was like a limited edition, I think 2 years ago or so. So the first item comes in this box, and I asked for the dust bag, but he was so nice, you know, he was so nice to give me the whole box. And what I picked, you guys, is the scarf, and you know how much I love scarves. So I was looking for the scarves for a long time, and I believe you can only get those in outlets. They used to be, I think, at the stores, but I don't think they carry this particular model, you guys. They are so soft, and they are very long, and it's double-sided, so you actually have, let me show you guys. There we go. This is the, as you can see, it's pretty big. It has like two different patterns. So this is the lighter one, and then you have a little bit darker one in here, and it's very soft. Here it says Gucci, and correct me if I'm wrong, if you can get this at the stores. I didn't even check the website. I don't have a Gucci store near me, so I cannot even tell you guys, but this scarf is so beautiful. I love the fact that it's long, so it's more like a stole, as you can see, you guys, and it's 80% wool and 20% silk, so it's like a perfect combination. I think it's just beautiful. Here's the tag, and the price was here's the information, you guys, but I think I paid about $240 or something like that. I think this was the price, and like I said, I love the colors because they're like neutral enough. They can go with anything pretty much, and I love the softness of it, and then you have a little bit of the warmth because of the wool. So yeah, and this is like a typical, you know, like a Gucci pattern. I really like it, so I was very happy that I was finally be able to get this. And yeah, thank you for the box, very pretty. All right, the next item I got came in this white box. So this is obviously the newer Gucci boxes, and if you guys remember, was it a year ago, a year and a half ago, I purchased this was in outlet near San Antonio. I purchased a bag, which I'm gonna show you in a second, but then I saw this item, and then I thought this, I'm gonna have like a perfect match, and these things are now so in fashion that I've got. Ta-da! So this is the belt bag, and you know, guys, this is like a year of the belt bag. It seems like all the designer houses are just coming up with different design and styles of the belt bag. So yeah, I came across this one because I thought, you guys, this is gonna be perfect match with my bag. If you remember, I got this kind of medium style messenger bag a year and a half ago in one of the outlets, and look at this. This is like a perfect travel companion. So if I feel like taking something smaller, you know, I can go for it. And most likely I'm not gonna wear it around my waist, but I'm just gonna kind of carry it across. And also my husband likes this, so he asked me if he could sometimes maybe take it. He likes to, you know, put it around his waist, so he actually have it adjust to his waist here. And yeah, I think it's very nice. Here's, it says Gucci. It's very simple item, but it's really nice. Let me take the stuffing out. So it's all like one big space inside, and there we go, there's one pocket on the side right here. And it's all kind of, you know, cotton kind of lining. And this is also like a canvas, you know, it's not a coated canvas, but there we go. And the zipper pull is pretty substantial. There's still plastic on it. So yeah, so I got the nice belt bag. The next thing we got came in this beautiful box, you guys, and this is actually an item that my husband picked up for himself, but I thought I'll share with you guys because I have some male audience as well, and I am obsessed with these shoes. So here they are, you guys. I think they're just, all the guys should have, you know, some kind of like a fun Gucci shoes. And I even tried them on. Of course, they are too big on me, but they are so comfortable. Like, I put my foot into this shoe and it was just so yummy and so comfortable. It's all leather inside. It's such a nice quality, you know, training shoes, and it's just beautiful. And this print is actually the same as my slides, if you guys remember the one that I have from Gucci, and they are just, this is pretty much the same print, and I love it. I think these are such a fun shoes, and the price for these, I think it was around $300, maybe $350, $330, something like that. So it was pretty much like 50% off when they were at this, you know, at the store. So yeah, I'm very happy that he got the shoes. I think they are very beautiful and cute, with a little Gucci sign right there. Yeah, I'm very happy. Okay, so this is all what we've got at Gucci, and I got 2 items now from Louis Vuitton. Like I said, we stopped by in the Columbus, Ohio, and I got these 2 little items. So I had to wait with this video, you guys, a little bit because I was actually waiting for this little item to arrive. The lady at the store, she didn't have the exact color that I wanted, so she actually ordered for me. So it took her a little bit to, you know, to get it, but let's hope this is the correct. And I've never had a tiny box like this, you guys. This is like the first time I'm unboxing a little guy. And this is going to be, there we go, this is going to be my very first jewelry piece from Louis Vuitton. So let's take a look. That's a cute little dust bag. All right, and I've got, dum da da da. This is so beautiful, you guys. So I tried this on at the store, but she had it with a red color, and the monogram, and I wanted the one with the black because I thought the black will just go perfect with everything else. So this is one of their newer bracelets. I'm gonna put all the names, you guys, at the description box because I think it was called a Daily Confidential bracelet, but just check the description box. I put everything. I was checking at the website earlier before we traveled, and it was all never available, and I purchased this in a size 19. And the way you open this, see this little button right here, just press it, there we go, and you open this. Let me put this on. So there we go, you guys. This is how it looks like on. It's a very kind of delicate bracelet. I love the, you know, the closure here, the little clasp. I think it's so pretty. I'll do some close-ups, you guys, so you can see it a little better. But I think it just looks really delicate and very pretty. It's hard to put it on, to be honest with you. I'll have to practice a little bit. It's easy to take off because you have this little button in here. And as you can see, the whole bracelet is very kind of soft and pliable. There we go. And yeah, I loved it, but see how much I have to like make sure that I align those ends very carefully. And you see all those LVs in there, very beautiful. And this is the little flower right there. Yeah, what do you guys think? It's beautiful. So very happy about this. And the next thing that I've purchased, you guys, came in this box. All right, and she packaged that so beautifully. I'm sorry, it's upside down. There we go. So let's do it. This is something that I really wanted, but I mean, everything is expensive. I'm gonna say it was expensive. Everything is expensive, you know, when we talk about the Louis Vuitton, but I just fell in love with this item, you guys. It was just so beautiful. I can't even open this. I think I'll have to slide those. It was just so beautiful, and I just couldn't pass because I'm afraid it might be a limited edition and then it might be gone. So there we go. This is the box. This is the magnetic box right in here, and inside I've got another scarf. This is actually another stole. It's not a scarf, it's a stole. So this is one of the newest one that I have with this big, as you can see, oversized LV print, and I got in the blue color. They also have it in like nice hot pink, but I thought the blue will be perfect because, you know, I wear a lot of jeans in the fall and winter, and it will just go with, you know, my jeans and shirts. And this is pretty big, you guys. I have it folded in half, and it's humongous. So it's very thin, but what I like about this material is not as delicate as the shawls that you can buy from Louis Vuitton. They snag so easily. This is actually, I think, a better quality, and I don't think this will snag as easily as the shawls that I have. And as you can see, this is very beautiful, and it's very sheer. Can you see my hand? It's very sheer, so it's very lightweight, but at the same time it's substantial, you guys. I mean, this is huge. See this? There is a lot of material, and it's just so beautiful, and I feel like it's for fall and for winter is just going to be perfect. I'm trying to find a tag. There we go. It says Louis Vuitton Paris, and this is 43% wool, 38% cotton, and 19% silk. So you have wool, cotton, and silk. Such a good combination. And yeah, what do you guys think? Isn't that beautiful? And I love how huge it is. I mean, Louis Vuitton always makes a huge scarf, and it's kind of lighter on this side, and then you have like a reverse on the other side. Do you see this? So you can actually wear both sides, you know, if you need a little bit more brighter side. There we go. This is with the white, and this is more with the blue in reverse. So yeah, I think it's beautiful. So yeah, so this is all we purchased, you guys, and yeah, I'm very happy, and I'm ready for fall. I'm actually, to be honest with you, I'm sick of this heat. It's just 94, 98 degrees every day is just too much. So I'm ready for fall, I'm ready for jeans, and I'm ready for my scarves, and let's just move on, shall we? Alright, you guys, I hope you have a great day, great weekend, great evening, whatever you watch this video. Make sure you subscribe, click on the subscription button, click on the bell, notification bell. This way you'll know when my videos are coming out. And let me know if you have any questions. I will leave all the information below, including my makeup, because lots of you keep asking me what lipstick I wear, what eyeshadow, and all of this. So I have decided to take a little bit more time and effort and put the links and everything in the description box, so please check it out. And yeah, let me know if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer, and I hope you have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye!